Hello, welcome back to the video online tutorials. This time we are going to do PowerPoint. I'm going to give you some few topics that we are going to cover in the PowerPoint uh, software. This is the diploma level as far as QIT is concerned. Uh, Today, the topics we will cover are going to be adding a new uh, slide layout. We will discuss about slide layouts, adding shapes, pictures, videos, adding a design on the slide, transition, animation, slideshow. So we will do most of these things. We will do it topic by topic so that you will be able to understand. Okay, so first, for us to go into uh, PowerPoint, first, what is PowerPoint? If you look at it, PowerPoint is a presentation uh, set of slides, generally in outline format. The presentations are used most often to accompany a speech. However, presentations can also be set up to run all by itself. You can print the slides in several different layouts. If you want, the slides can be printed, or you can share it in presentation in PDF formats. Okay, now, but why do we also run a slideshow? After when you finish all your presentation, you prepare what we call a slideshow to show your slides. The reason why people prepare slideshows is to show presentation to a large group of people. That is mainly the reason why slideshows are created, and normally it covers the whole screen. Okay, a typical example is this one. Okay, this is in a slideshow format. So if you finish all your presentation outline, this is how you will run your slideshow so that you will be able to show it to a large audience of people. Okay, so I'll press the escape key so that we go back to the normal uh, or right click and end the show. So this is virtually what you need to do with slideshows. We can show it on a screen or on a computer, a projector, or you can even connect using a cable to another computer, and then you show your presentation there. Usually, it is very useful if you are running on a projector, you have a remote control so that you can be moving to the next slides like that. You don't have to go to the computer all the time. Okay. The other thing is the views. We have three main different types of views in PowerPoint. Of course, if you go to the view, from the home you go to the view, you will see so many different types of views here. Of course, but the main ones are three. You have the normal view, you have the sorter, slide sorter, of course that is this one, and also you have the slideshow view. Now the slideshow view here is, this is where you go to, and this is the slideshow panel ribbon. So you can go to from the beginning or from the current slides, or you can present online, and you can do all the settings that is required for giving a full-fledged presentation. So basically this is just the introduction for the PowerPoint. If you go to the home tab like any other application, okay, you have the ribbon just like any other application. In the ribbon there are so many groups here. You have the clipboard, the slide, the font, the paragraph, drawings, editing. If you go to other ones like insert, the same, you will see a lot of groups, and this makes it a much more easier for you to access any button that you want or any command that you want. It makes it much easier for you to go straight to that ribbon, and then you'll be able to see the group where it belongs to, and then you look for it. So this is pretty much the same as Word, Excel, and Access that you have seen. They have a similar layout of formatting. Okay, so this is going to be the introduction, and that's the end of the video. So I would thank you very much for listening.